Alright, well, I've been playing around with this for a while, and this thing makes a popping noise when it goes on and off. And, let's see. Let me see if we can replicate it. I don't know if it's actually on right now or not. Hear that? As soon as the signal comes in there, it pops. But I don't know why. It works. It's pretty neutral. It doesn't have any coloring to it at all, which is good. So I forgot. And here I turned it off, and it makes a pop too. So there's probably something wrong with it. That's probably why it got donated. I also noticed that there is no LED here. I don't know if there's supposed to be one. I've not opened it up to look. I don't think there is. But I have a feeling that the people with the Goodwill plugged it in and thought it was supposed to light up, and it didn't light up. And they're like, $12. Here's another one that was $12, but this was from a completely different store, and it was in a plastic bag with the cord and the instruction manual. And this one actually has a volume control on it. So I don't know how this was intended to be used. This one doesn't have volume control. This is an audio source, which was owned by Phoenix Gold. I don't know if Phoenix Gold still makes amps anymore. But this one's also pretty damn nice. It doesn't have the weird connections on the back either. This one here, I guess you would just set the volume to what you want and then run it off the preamp. However, with this one, you can just go ahead and not use it that way. You can just use it as an amp and run speakers, whereas this one, you cannot. This one needs a preamp. This is considered more audiophile, but anyway. We're gonna try this one too and see if it does any kind of pop. Maybe it's this thing that's making the pop. I don't know. But I have a feeling, since I've been talking for a minute and this thing's been off, we'll hear it pop in a second. Maybe not. What's weird is the front of this thing is made out of rubber. And this face is riveted on. It's really strange. So anyway, we'll try this and see how it does. Maybe it'll be better. This has A and B speakers too, which is kind of cool. But you can't run both.